Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up the Malu Shelter. Let's get started. The Malu Shelter comes in a spacious carry bag and includes 2 poles, guy lines, and pegs. Unroll the Malu Shelter completely and lay it out flat on the ground so you can clearly see where to position it. In this example, we're setting up the awning in an A-frame configuration. Extend the poles and place the first one in the center of the awning. While one person holds the pole upright, a second person secures the guy lines at the pole and the 2 corners at a 45-degree angle. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Then re-tighten all guy lines for a stable setup. Your Malu Shelter is up and ready. The Malu Shelter is versatile and flexible. You can set it up in many different ways. Get creative and try out a variety of configurations.